What's up, everyone? This is the Roommate Investor, back with another episode. Here we teach people how to buy real estate and create wealth using creative financing and real estate strategy. If this sounds like something you will be interested in, follow the channel. Also, you can go to the website, www.theroommateinvestor.com, and you can see what services or ebooks might interest you. Today, we're going to talk about ways to find contractors. In the real estate business, contractors are key. They can make or break your business. Unfortunately, they know this and they will take advantage of you any way they can, especially if they know you're a beginner. Most real estate investors starting out, this is a big problem for them because they don't know what you don't know. So contractors will tell you things and it's hard for you to verify it because you're new, you don't know electric, you don't know plumbing, you don't know all the ins and outs yet of these trades, and they will tell you things or just get over on you just because they can. A lot of times they will also take your money and there's really nothing that you can do about it. So what we want to teach here is just how to mitigate those risks as they come and what to look for and what not to look for. But before you know what to look for and what not to look for, you have to actually find the contractor. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will give you a bonus tip on what not to do when you're looking for a contractor. Okay, let's get into this video. Tip number 5. Have you ever noticed when you're driving down the road, you see a big van or a big truck that has a business on it with a number? They say we do drywall or we do electricity. Take down these numbers. They're marketing what they do on their van. This is a good way to find contractors. One, because you're not going out your way. You're able to get a resource by doing something that you were already doing anyway, driving. Be on the lookout. Imagine how many times you've really seen those vans. They're there all the time, but we're just never paying attention. Now we can be intentional about our goals when we're driving, and we're able to get 2 to 5 new numbers per day. Then we can follow up with those numbers as needed. Okay, way number 4, your local meetup groups or REIA groups. These local groups, you're able to meet contractors, realtors, also even business partners. The good thing about these meetup groups is they usually meet at least one time a week, and the contractors, they want to make sure that they do good business with you because there's a network and community of people in the area who they also know. So if they do bad business with you, you're going to tell the other people, and it could mean bad business for them. So this is a good way to meet contractors, get business cards, ask questions for free, and they will talk to you. Sometimes contractors are busy throughout day-to-day work and it's hard to get in touch with them. But when they're at these groups, that's what they're there for, to network and to find new clients. So this is a great free way, or it may be a small fee to join these groups to network and learn and also meet different contractors. Way number 3, go to your local home improvement store, whether that's Lowe's or Home Depot or a store that you all have in your area. This is a great way because contractors are here looking for materials for their job. If you need an electrician, go to the electricity aisle. If you need a plumber, go to the plumbing aisle. It's also better to go earlier in the day than later. If you really want those hard workers who's serious about their business, they're going to be at these stores 6 o'clock in the morning waiting for the store to open so they could get ready to start their job. 6, 7 o'clock would be prime time, but you can go anytime throughout the day. You're going to constantly see contractors, able to talk with them, get their number, even go to the addresses where they're working and build a relationship and network with them. Way number 2, referrals. Good people know good people. Why not just use the network that you already have? Because remember, you went to those meetup groups. Now you're meeting like-minded people who you're networking with. Tap into their network. They're not going to refer you to someone who they haven't used or who's done bad business with them. That's going to look bad on them. So it's always good to tap into your network, talk to people around you, and see what type of connections you can make with the people that they're already working with. And this is easy and fundamental way. Now, the best way that I have found to find contractors is to do drive-bys. When I see homes being worked on, I stop immediately if I have the time, or I'll take down the address and I'll make sure to come back when I'm done doing my business. Stop by, go talk to them, look at the work that they're actually doing, talk to the subcontractors, walk around the house. No one's going to really stop you most of the time. This is how I found some of my best workers, just by stopping, making a conversation, and just being friendly and asking questions. They're always looking for new business. You tell them you're a local investor, you're looking for new contractors, you want to get into house flipping, home remodeling. That's new business for them. They never know where that can take them. For the most part, they would be open to listening to you, sharing information, and building a possible business connection. As promised, I said I would give a bonus tip on what not to do when finding contractors. Please do not look for contractors on Craigslist. Maybe you could find a handyman on Craigslist, but you do not want to find your main contractors on Craigslist. When contractors are busy, they don't have time to market on Craigslist. Their phone is blowing up. They don't have time for that. They're constantly working jobs. They always have new work. A good contractor is not going to be on Craigslist. The only type of contractors you're going to find on Craigslist, we like to call them jackleg contractors. They don't have work, they're not good, or they're going to give you the runaround, and at the end of the day, you're not going to be pleased with their work. Maybe a handyman may be good to find on Craigslist, but not your main contractor. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, you can contact me at the www.theroommateinvestor.com. Leave comments, let me know what you think about this video.